The solar trailer is finished now, and when you pull out this plastic room, there are solar panels on the roof here that give me another 800 watts of power, but unfortunately when I'm parked in a forest it really doesn't do very much except to protect it from the elements. And also when it lights up at night, or when the lights are on, it lights up this and it turns into a cube, a lit cube, which looks very nice at night. This is just another view of the same thing. You can see the light up there that runs along the ceiling. I have minuscule furniture in there. It's very comfortable, very nice. I'll have to put a couch in there. And this is what it looks like from the front. This material that's at the back, this material is actually covering all the tools and everything that are packed in behind there. So there's another 1.5 meters of space behind that. It looks kind of nice. This is a patch of green grass, but it's fake grass. But it's nice to sit on when you're sitting outside. Just another view of it. And this is the material that's at the back. Kind of cool, isn't it? Looks really good. That alligator is fake. Alright. I think that's pretty cool. And that ramp, that deck is also a ramp. So when the plastic room slides back into the motorhome, then the ramp can be lifted, and then the supporting legs folded up, and then it acts as a ramp. So the bicycle, the solar bicycle, the scooter, and everything can roll into the back or be pulled in with a winch, which is located at the front. The winch also pulls the room out and pushes it back in again. So the trailer is now sort of almost officially finished.